Hello, my name is Salasi, and today I'm about to do Julie's hair. I'm actually going to do a scalp plait on Julie. One of the things that one has to do normally before you do a plait is to shampoo the hair with appropriate shampoo, condition the hair properly, and blow dry the hair. It's very important to give the client a good blow dry before you actually start the plaiting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to section Julie's hair, and then I'm going to actually give you a demonstration of how to do a scalp plait. I have done a couple, got about 4 here now, which you can have a look at. You can use gel or you can use hairsprays. Now these products do help to assist the flyaway hairs, so that way you can actually tame the hair and give the client a nice and neat braiding. So I'm going to section the hair in a vertical way. Secure the rest of the hair that I'm not going to braid with a sectioning clip, like so. With the aid of either gel or hairspray, just gently apply a slight amount of gel onto the hair, and that should make it easier to tame and braid the hair. By taking a small mesh of hair, dividing that into 2, crisscrossing that mesh for a second, and gently take a few strands from the side to side, making sure that you apply less tension on the client's hair. As if you apply a lot of tension on the client's hair, that could lead to the loss of hair, commonly known as alopecia. Julie's hair is being plaited just to the crown section, and I'm going to secure her hair with a professional elastic bands. You could either braid the entire hair to the end, or you could leave it halfway. These are the professional elastic bands, and I'm just going to secure Julie's hair with it. How are you feeling, Julie?
Okay.
It's very imperative that when you finish the plait, you talk to the client about aftercare. Aftercare is very important because the client needs to know how to maintain the hair whilst they're at home. So for plait, it's quite straightforward. The best thing to do is to just tell the client to use the hairspray roughly 12 centimeters away from the client's scalp, and that should help to tame the flyaway hairs. Or they could use a little gel, gently rubbing it on their fingers and gently going around the little hairs that are showing. And in terms of sleeping, there isn't much really. It's quite straightforward. Some people could sleep with a net, but it's not important. It's not very important to sleep with a net. Removal of scalp plait is very simple. However, I wouldn't recommend the clients to remove their scalp plait themselves. They need to come to the salon to be taken out in a professional way. And it's quite straightforward, and I'll show you a demonstration of how to remove the scalp plait. With a tail comb, and remove gently. It's quite straightforward. starting from the tips, working your way to the roots. This way, if there are any knots, it should be easier to get it out.